selections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact,
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. And on today's video, we're gonna try to answer one of the big questions that all the Shiryo investors have right now, and that is when marketing. And I wanna be really clear on this video. This is just my personal opinion. It is not the opinion or any fact from the core team, from any Shiryo moderator whatsoever. This is again my personal opinion, and that's only that. And because we are going to take a look at the market where we can assume that the marketing can start, and obviously that'll depend on what we can see with the Shiryo chart and as well the Bitcoin chart. So first of all, let's start with the screen that we have right now in front of us, and that is the CoinMarketCap website. And as we can see, the market is doing really great right now. We can see a lot of green on the charts right now. Bitcoin went already above the 46K threshold, and that is something really amazing. That is something that we haven't seen for a while. As well, Ethereum went above the 3,200 mark, BNB above the $423, and many other coins. And that is something really amazing because this market seems that it started to getting confident as well. But let's drill down on what is going on right now. So let's go take a look at Bitcoin. And first of all, let's change this view to the weekly chart. We have here two very important levels on this chart, and we actually spoke about these levels several times on this channel. And the first one, it is the 50-week EMA. And we have said on the past that if we can go above the 50-week EMA, we can start considering going above the bull market support band. And that seems like it's the case at this moment. And this is something really great because, I mean, we can see that maybe we can interpret it as the start of the bull market, but I want to be really clear right now. The hard part is not getting above the resistance from the bull market support band. The really hard part, it is to actually to hold it as a support. And how we can see that, how we can know if we are going to be able to hold it as a support. Well, basically, let's drill down to the daily chart and see what we can actually assume from that chart, what we can speculate from that view. So we can see that Bitcoin, it is actually doing really great. It had an amazing run on the last week, we can say, or several days. But I see that on the RSI, we are getting on this overbought position already. And what does this mean? For example, the last time that we were on this position at this level, we actually had a pullback right here. Then we tried to go above again and we got rejected and went down. We went to this support line that is right here that we have spoken several weeks on the videos that I made on this channel. Okay, so we got rejected, we tried again, we got rejected again, and we are trying again to go above that mark. But this is something really cool because we already marked a local higher high, and this is something really good. I mean, because what I can see, what are the options that we can see at this specific moment? The first one that I see is that, yeah, we will have a pullback. This is something really normal because we had already an amazing run. So we are gonna go up. Then I'll expect for us to have a pullback for a correction on the RSI, and then we can start continuing the uptrend. So that is the first option that I see. And I'm gonna mark it as option A right here. What is the letters? Where it is right here. Let's say that this one is option A. Option A. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is option A. What about the other option that I see? Well, we can see that we can try the uptrend, we go down, we try again to maintain the support, but we get rejected for some reason. We go below the bull market support band, and then we try again. This is gonna take longer, but there is another option that I see on the market. And this is something really important because we can say that if we do that as well, it's going to take longer, but we're going to be on a healthy state as well. So let's call it that option B for the moment. And what is the other option that I see? We try to go above the mark. Again, we try to hold it as support as we were speaking, but we're not able to hold it as support, and we go down again, and we have to basically hit the support line again and try again as we've seen on the past. So that is option C. And I don't want to say that it's not going to happen, but it's an option, and we have to take a look to all the options and be really, really neutral of what can happen in the market. Obviously, I'm an advocate of option A. Everyone here, I think that is the same, but those are the options of when we can see that we can see the start of the bull market. So those are the options for Bitcoin, and hopefully the Shiryo team see the same as I do. What about Shiryo? What is doing Shiryo right now? As we are seeing here on the chart, it is actually doing really, really great at the moment. We had an amazing run, 1, 2, 3. Let's ignore this one. 4, 5, 6 days straight on an uptrend. So we wanna see actually the MACD starting to go up, and we actually starting to actually see a little bit of opening on the Bollinger Bands. So what I'm actually expecting here, it is that we go up, we get rejected, and try again. So because this is something that is gonna be normal, because we already got rejected on this line several times, but hopefully we can finally break it. So that obviously this will involve, if the team actually see this as well, that we will need to actually start investing on marketing. Again, this is my personal opinion. This is not the opinion of the team, but I hope that they see and they feel the same as I do right now. So that is for Shiryo at the moment, and that is the information that I have. Because I mean, we have been actually on this bottom channel for a while on the 1300 level, then we broke the resistance here on the 2200 level, and we are gonna try to break the resistance again at the 3000 level. So hopefully we can do it, and we can follow the market as well, and the team will have that confirmation to finally start marketing. So that is the information that I have for you right now. Remember that we still have the giveaway that is gonna happen on April the 3rd. So it is a week from today. We're gonna do a live for see who is gonna be the winner. Please fill out the form that is right down below so I can consider you for the giveaway. If you don't do it, I don't know if you're actually a subscriber, because YouTube doesn't give me that information. So please do that so I can consider you for the giveaway. So keep yourself informed, and see you until the next time.
On a Shiryu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.